Assalamu alaikum and welcome to second video lecture of grade 3 social studies. I am your social studies teacher from Honors Kindergarten and Secondary School Lahore. In this video I will explain 3 chapters: climate, our country and our national identity. Let's start the video lesson of unit number 4. Open page number 12. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to tell what is weather and climate, difference between weather and climate, how many seasons are there in Pakistan, different instruments to measuring the weather. Weather. बच्चों, वेदर का मतलब होता है मौसम, ऐसा मौसम जो कि डे टू डे चेंज होता रहता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर आज मौसम गर्म है तो कल रेनी हो या मे बी क्लाउडी हो जाए, कुछ भी हो सकता है. कुछ दिन ऐसे होंगे कि जब वेदर हॉट और सनी होगा, या कुछ दिन ऐसे होंगे कि जब वेदर रेनी हो. द वेदर चेंजेस डे टू डे. आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन में आपके एरिया की लोकेशन के मुताबिक आपको वेदर बताया जाता है. आप वहाँ से 1 वीक का वेदर चेक कर सकते हैं, जो कि नेक्स्ट 1 वीक होता है. बल्कि अब तो उसके अंदर हर घंटे का वेदर बताया गया होता है कि इस घंटे बारिश होगी या इस घंटे बादल आ जाएंगे. आप उसमें चेक कर सकते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टेल मी हाउ इज़ द वेदर टुडे. इस पिक्चर में से देख के बताएं कि आज का वेदर कैसा है. सनी है, स्नोई है, क्लाउडी है, रेनी है, विंडी है, ये क्या है. क्लाइमेट. Climate is a word we use for the usual weather a place has during a year. लेकिन पाकिस्तान के ज़्यादातर इलाकों में वार्म क्लाइमेट होता है. High up on the mountains of the north, it is cloudy throughout the year. In the south, there is never any snow and it is warm all the year. Do you know that the hottest place in Pakistan? Yes, Sibi in Balochistan. The temperature here can go up to 50 degrees centigrade. Difference between weather and climate. Weather refers to short-term changes in the atmosphere. Climate describes what the weather is like over a long period of time in a specific area. Different regions can have different climates. Weather tells you what to wear each day. Seasons. The climate of a place is divided into different periods called seasons. The warm time of year is called summer. The cold time of year is called winter. Summer and winter are seasons. There are 2 other seasons, spring and autumn. In autumn, which comes after summer, it begins to get cooler and leaves fall from the trees. In spring, which comes after winter, it begins to get warmer and new leaves come out on the trees. Now let's see some instruments of weather. Thermometer. A thermometer measures the air temperature. Most thermometers are closed glass tubes containing liquids such as alcohol and mercury. When air around the tube heats the liquid expands and moves up to tubes. A scale then shows what the actual temperature is. Rain gauge. A rain gauge is a device that measures rain. Students, जो मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं वो इस डिवाइस को यूज़ करते हैं ताकि ये पता कर सकें कि आपके एरिया में बारिश कितनी हुई है। स्टूडेंट्स, here you see different devices name। ये तीनों डिवाइसेस विंड को मेजर करने के लिए यूज़ होती हैं। लाइक वी यूज़ वेदर वैन टू टेल अस द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द विंड। इसी तरह एनीमोमीटर विंड की स्पीड को मेजर करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और एयर के प्रेशर को मेजर करने के लिए बैरोमीटर यूज़ किया जाता है। Meteorologist. People who study the weather and climate and keep records are called meteorologists. Now there is a turn to sum up first topic. We have a summary of it. Weather is the day-to-day or hour-to-hour change in the atmosphere. Energy from the sun affects the weather. Climate tells us what kinds of weather usually happen in an area at different times of the year. The climate of a place is divided into different periods called seasons. Temperature is measured with a thermometer. We use a weather van to tell us the direction of the wind. Wind speed is measured by an anemometer. A barometer measures air pressure. Read the chapter from book and question answers from your notebook or summer vacation work. Now students, open page number 14. In A part, आपके सामने डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के यूजेस लिखे हैं। आपने उन यूजेस को पढ़ के बताना है कि ये यूजेस कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट में यूज़ हो रहे हैं और उनके इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के नेम लिखने हैं। इन बी पार्ट, राइट डाउन द मीनिंग्स ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स। Complete the bookwork on page number 14 and match your answers with the ones given here. Let's start unit number 5, Our Country. Open page number 15. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to tell location of Pakistan, borders of Pakistan, provinces of Pakistan, neighboring countries of Pakistan, capital city of Pakistan, capital cities of provinces. Location of Pakistan. All the land on the earth is divided up into countries. Countries are formed by people. Countries are separated from each other by borders. There are 193 countries in the world. Our country, Pakistan, is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. On the map above, you can see many different countries in Asia. Our country is called Pakistan. Can you see it on the map above? Look at a map of the world and you will see that our country is bigger than some countries but much smaller than others. Borders of Pakistan. We share borders with Iran in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the northeast, and India in the east. To the south of Pakistan is the Arabian Sea. Students, क्या आपको पता है कि पाकिस्तान की कैपिटल सिटी कौन सी है? Yes, Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. It is located in the capital territory. This is where the government of the country has its offices. Islamabad is the 9th largest city of Pakistan. It is famous for its overall greenery, peace and cleanliness. और आपको पता है यहाँ के सबसे फेमस प्लेसेस जो हैं वो रावल लेक है, फैसल मॉस्क है, इस्लामाबाद ज़ू, पाकिस्तान म्यूज़ियम ऑफ नेशनल हिस्ट्री. Provinces of Pakistan. Pakistan is divided into 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Each province has its own government and capital. You can see the capitals of all the provinces marked on the map. Students, जिस तरह पाकिस्तान का कैपिटल इस्लामाबाद है, इसी तरह हर प्रोविंस का कैपिटल है, और जो कैपिटल है वो उस प्रोविंस की फेमस सिटी होती है. जैसे कि पंजाब का कैपिटल लाहौर है, सिंध का कैपिटल कराची, बलूचिस्तान का कैपिटल कोयटा, खैबर पख्तूनख्वा का कैपिटल पेशावर. Now there is the turn to sum up second topic. We have a summary of it. There are 193 countries in the world. Countries are separated from each other by borders. Pakistan is located in Southern Asia. Pakistan shares border with Iran in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the northeast, and India in the east. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. There are 4 provinces of Pakistan: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Read the chapter from book and question answers from your notebook or summer vacation work. Now student, open page number 18. This is an activity. ये आपके पास एक मैप है और आपने इसको लेबल करना है, ठीक है, और लेबल करने के बाद आपने इसमें कलरिंग भी करनी है. सी बी पार्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने यहाँ पे 2 लिस्ट बनानी है. फर्स्ट लिस्ट जो बनानी है उसमें हमने पाकिस्तान की 10 सिटीज़ के नेम लिखने हैं. फिर आपने एक सेकंड लिस्ट बनानी है जिसमें आपने अपनी क्लासमेट्स के नेम लिखने हैं और आगे लिखना है कि वो अपने घर में कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं. Now open page number 19, unit number 6, our national identity. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to tell national identity, Pakistani flag, our national dress, language, game, currency, and anthem. Here are 2 children. Their names are Yasmin and Susan. Yasmin lives in Karachi. She is a Pakistani citizen. Susan lives in London, the capital city of the UK. She is a British citizen. Yasmin and Susan are both children but are different in many ways. Their clothes are different. They like different foods. They speak different languages and they follow different religions. We say that they each have a different national identity. Pakistani flag. We have our own flag. It is green and white and has a white crescent and star. No other country has a flag like ours. National symbols of Pakistan. Students, as you know, we live in Pakistan, so the citizens of Pakistan have their own national identity. Like, our national game is hockey, language is Urdu, currency is rupee, dress is shalwar kameez, animal is markhor. We have our own national anthem, Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baad, written by Hafiz Jalandhari. We stand up straight and sing it with great pride. Now there is a turn to sum up third topic. We have a summary of it. The citizens of Pakistan have their own national identity. We have our own flag. Our national flag is green and white and has a white crescent and star. No other country has a flag like ours. Our national anthem is written by Hafiz Jalandhari in 1952. We have many things in common with our fellow Pakistanis. We share the same history because our parents, grandparents, and great grandparents lived in this land and helped to make it a great country. We all eat similar food, have similar names, speak the same language, and use the same money. All these things gives us a common identity. Our national identity makes us proud to be Pakistanis. Read the chapter from book and question answers from your notebook or summer vacation work. Now student, open page number 21. Fill in the blanks. अगर आपको चैप्टर की अच्छे से समझ आई है तो आप इसको खुद से फिल करें और फिल करने के बाद आपने आंसर्स को यहाँ से टैली करना है. In this video lesson, I have explained 3 chapters. Unit number 4, Climate. Unit number 5, Our Country. Unit number 6, Our National Identity. I hope you have understood the important concepts. Thanks for watching this video.